Hey guys, welcome back to Try New Things, where today we're going to do a little rainwater harvesting maintenance. So I got a little bit of a problem out here at the greenhouse. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Now I'm hoping what you'll see comes through on the camera. But here's my 300-gallon tank. And I've got a little bit of uneven settlement going on. And my tank is starting to lean towards the greenhouse. So I'm going to take advantage of this almost drought-like conditions that we've had for the last 3 weeks, and it's not going to end this week, and drain what little water is left. So I've got the pump going, the hose running, and I'm just pumping it into my 1,000-gallon storage over there, which has about 50 gallons left in it because I've been watering the garden every other day. But we'll get the water out of the tank, and then we're going to straighten it up and hope it rains. Well, I'm glad I didn't glue any of that overflow piping on. There, all we need is some rain. So this is a project I've been meaning to do for a while, but wasn't looking forward to doing it. But since it hasn't rained in 4 weeks, and I used pretty much all the water in my tank, I figured now is the right time to do it. Let's get it fixed before the next rain. So we've got it all leveled up. I'll take it off the camera here in a second and show you. But it wasn't all that difficult, and makes me thankful that I didn't glue those downspout or overflow pipes onto the tank. They're just friction fit on there because there's not any pressure. Makes it really easy to take off, put back on. But anyway, if you have any questions or comments about this video or anything else, leave them below. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.